Hi everyone, Stuart here, Tuesday 16th of July 2019, 50 years since NASA took off for the moon. I remember it well. Anyway, that's a long time ago now. Lots of news, lots going on, and start with the Kiwi today. It's held this key 67 level. We had inflation at 1.7% overnight, so that's held up, and the Kiwi's held a bid for the last couple of days now, so it's holding it quite nicely here at 67.30 and over the key 20 period moving average here again. Aussie, we had release of the minutes from the RBA, and again the Aussies had a strong move up here from Friday and Monday yesterday, and we've just started to give up that gain in the last hour or so, triggering short here in the last hour at 70.30, but very strong run for the Aussie up to 70.45 yesterday, earlier today. After the minutes came out, we've moved back down again. The dollar's relatively on the bid. Biggest move this morning has been the pound, sterling, both cable here under that big move down here in the last hour under 125. Euro pounds over the key 90 level as well. So more pressure on sterling. Obviously we've got the wages, earnings numbers as well, and unemployment numbers out of the UK in about an hour or so's time. But really the key numbers or the key data is obviously the Brexit situation, and this time next week we'll have a new Prime Minister in the UK, very, very likely to be Mr. Boris Johnson, and moves yesterday, legal moves yesterday to make a no-deal Brexit illegal. So lots of conflict, and as ever pressure on the pound. So euro here 190.12 at the moment. Euro ticking down. I said dollar's got a bit of a bid against there, but not a great deal of action overnight there. Under the 200 period here at 12.60. Obviously key support at 12.50. So again, bit of news obviously out the euro area this morning. We got ZEW from euro area, so that's in about an hour or so's time. So again, watch that one. But again, we're capped here by the 200 period at 112.60 and support at 112.50. Just waiting for that news to break, I would guess. Dollar yen, on the other hand, has recovered a touch. We remember yesterday we were down here at this 107.80 zone again. I touched it again yesterday. We recovered a wee bit, back over 108. So 108 becomes our support today as we move up, and resistance at 108.20 here on the 200 period. And let's just finish with the commodities. So oils continue to give up its gains following the passage of the hurricane in the US and production coming back on stream from the Gulf. So we went under 59.50, but we seem to be pivoting around there. Much like yesterday, we were around. We're giving up the $60 handle, and we're pivoting around 59.50 on oil, and gold wherever it's gone. I've lost gold down here. Excuse me. Gold. Finish with gold again. That's pivoting between this 14.15 high and 14.10 support. So a bit of a challenge. You see, literally, drifting down here on the 1 hour, drifting up. So maybe some sort of break forming, but we not a great deal of action here on the gold over the last couple of days, but good for you trend reversal traders. So take care. We'll see you all at the webinar later, and all the best. See you later. Bye bye.